Some vehicles are built to travel the world. But this one is built to survive it. Welcome back to YYD Motor Zone. Today, we're diving into a machine that's more than just a motorhome. It's a rolling fortress, the 2026 Toyota WARLORD 14x14. This isn't built for a simple road trip. It's built for total freedom, extreme exploration, and places normal RVs can't even reach. Let's start with the design. From the front, the WARLORD 14x14 announces its presence. Massive multi-axle setup, 14 driven wheels, and a stance that clearly says, this vehicle is ready for any terrain. Desert, snow, jungle, or disaster zone, nothing can stop it. The exterior is military-inspired but still carries modern Toyota design cues. Sharp LED lighting, reinforced composite panels, heavy-duty steel bumpers, integrated winches, roof-mounted solar arrays, and smart external storage compartments. Everything is purpose-built. It's not just tough, it looks premium too. But the real surprise comes when you step inside. Inside, rugged capability meets luxury. The central lounge area features premium leather sofas, modular seating, ambient LED lighting, and high-grade insulation, creating a quiet, climate-controlled environment, no matter how extreme the weather outside. The kitchen is fully equipped with an induction cooktop, built-in oven, refrigerator, freezer, stainless steel sink, and smart storage solutions. It feels more like an apartment than an RV. Further in, there's a private bedroom with a full-size bed, premium mattress, overhead storage, and sound insulation, so you can rest peacefully even in the middle of nowhere. And the bathroom, a fully enclosed shower, complete toilet system, sink, ventilation, and advanced water management, designed for extended off-grid living. Now, let's talk power. Under the hood, the WARLORD 14x14 is expected to come with a heavy-duty turbocharged diesel or hybrid diesel-electric system, tuned for torque, not speed. Massive pulling power, intelligent traction across all 14 wheels, and a drivetrain that dominates mud, snow, sand, and rocky terrain. This vehicle isn't built for racing. It's built for unstoppable momentum. Its load capacity is enormous, capable of carrying its own weight plus weeks or even months of fuel, water, and supplies, all without external support. The technology is next level. A large digital cockpit display, advanced off-road navigation with terrain mapping, satellite communication support, multi-camera monitoring for blind spots and wheel placement. Everything keeps the driver fully in control. Smart energy management monitors solar and battery systems, touchscreen controls manage lighting and climate, and advanced diagnostics track drivetrain health, suspension articulation, tire pressure, and energy consumption, continuously. In simple terms, you can be far from civilization, but never disconnected. So the question is the 2026 Toyota WARLORD 14x14 practical? Maybe not for everyone, but if you want ultimate independence, if you want to reach the corners of the world where roads end, then this isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement. This is exploration without limits. If you love extreme builds like this, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you take this rolling fortress out to explore the world? See you in the next one.